Angeles City has long been recognized as a dynamic and key destination in Central Luzon, a city rich in culture, heritage, and progress. As the first highly urbanized city in Central Luzon, it plays a significant role in history, culture, and the economy. Much of Angeles City's transformation can be attributed to one of Pampanga's prominent families, the Nepomucenos, through 1D Nepomuceno Realty. Over the years, they have established businesses that continue to serve the community. From power generation through Angeles Electric Corporation, to education, starting with Holy Angel Academy, which has now grown into Holy Angel University, the largest private Catholic university north of Manila. The family also ventured into real estate, beginning with Villa Teresa, the first of many exclusive residential villages in Angeles City. The Nepomuceno family then expanded into retail development with Nepo Mart, once known as the premier shopping haven for imported goods. As the new millennium began, Angeles City witnessed the opening of Nepo Mall, marking a new era of retail. Today, Nepo Center thrives as a dynamic hub for shopping, business, and lifestyle. With all the progress of Nepo Center in Angeles City, the future continues to unfold for this beloved and iconic destination with the addition of Rockwell at Nepo Center. In partnership with JDN Realty, this first Rockwell Center beyond Metro Manila will add that distinct glow to Nepo Center, transforming this beloved destination into a city within a city. At 4.5 hectares, this mixed-use development comprises dedicated lush spaces, 3 mid-rise residential buildings, and a power plant Mall Angeles, the very first expansion of this iconic retail destination. It is only a few minutes away from some of the region's prestigious universities, exciting retail destinations, and Clark, home to international hotels and the Clark International Airport. Traveling north has become more seamless, with convenient options such as the North Luzon Expressway, Skyway Stage 3, and the upcoming Malolos-Clark Railway, part of the larger north to south commuter railway. Through Rockwell at Nepo Center, living in Angeles City will be redefined, offering Pampanga's discerning community a taste of the life they truly deserve. Be part of the next fashionable address. Come home to Angeles City, Pampanga. Come home to Rockwell at Nepo Center.